Hey there, woodworking enthusiasts. Are you tired of struggling with handheld routing? Looking to take your woodworking projects to the next level with precision and ease? Maybe you're wondering which router table offers the best value for your hard-earned money? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm breaking down the top 7 router tables on the market that I've personally tested over the past few months. Whether you're a DIY weekend warrior or a seasoned professional, having the right router table can make all the difference in your woodworking projects. I've spent countless hours testing each of these models to bring you the most comprehensive guide available. Let's dive into our countdown of the 7 best router tables you can buy in 2025. 7. Dremel 231 Shaper Router Table. Starting our list at number 7 is the Dremel 231 Shaper Router Table. This compact unit is designed to convert your corded Dremel rotary tool into a light-duty, bench-mounted precision wood shaper. I found the installation process to be straightforward, with the table easily mounting to any tabletop workspace. The Dremel 231 features simple-to-grip plastic knobs that include a screwdriver slot for easier rotary tool assembly. During my testing, I appreciated the depth adjustment screw that allowed me to set the desired depth of cut. The 3-way adjustable fence provides some level of accuracy for detail work, but I noticed it wasn't as stable as higher-end models when working with larger pieces. The compact 8-inch by 6-inch work table is smooth and works adequately for very small projects, but I quickly found myself wishing for more workspace when attempting anything beyond the most basic tasks. While Dremel advertises compatibility with numerous rotary tool models, including the 4300, 4000, 3000, and 200 series, the limited table size significantly restricts the scope of projects you can tackle. Storage is another consideration with the Dremel 231. While it's compact and easy to store when not in use, there's no built-in storage for bits or accessories, which meant I was constantly searching for the right bit during project work. The plastic construction, while making it lightweight, also raised some durability concerns during my extended testing period. For extremely light-duty work and occasional use, the Dremel 231 might suffice, especially if you already own a compatible Dremel rotary tool. Number 6. SKIL SRT 1039 Benchtop Router Table. Moving up to number 6 on our list is the SKIL SRT 1039 Benchtop Router Table. This model offers compatibility with many major router brands, which I found to be a significant advantage over the Dremel. The quick and easy router clamp system attaches your router to the underside of the table without much fuss, though I did notice it required occasional retightening during extended use. One feature that stood out during testing was the above-table router lift, which provides convenient access to adjust the height of router bits without reaching underneath the table. This saved me considerable time when making adjustments between cuts. The dual-sided integrated router bit storage system is another thoughtful addition, allowing me to keep all my bits in a central location. The smooth laminated MDF work surface measures 26 inches by 16 inches, providing significantly more workspace than the Dremel. The 2 included featherboards help reduce kickback and improve safety, which I appreciated when working with longer pieces. The 24-inch fence guides longer workpieces adequately, though I found it flexed slightly when applying pressure during some operations. While the SKIL router table offers good value for its price point, I encountered some stability issues during my testing. The legs, while foldable for easy storage, didn't provide the rock-solid foundation I prefer for precision work. I found myself needing to clamp the table to my workbench to prevent unwanted movement, which was an extra step I hadn't anticipated. The MDF tabletop, while smooth initially, showed signs of wear faster than I would have liked after a few weeks of regular use. Number 5. Bosch RA1141 Benchtop Router Table. At number 5, we have the Bosch RA1141 Portable Benchtop Router Table. This model impressed me with its sturdy benchtop design and folding legs that make transport and storage remarkably easy. During my testing, I found the 26-inch by 16.5-inch laminated MDF work surface to be ample for most projects, easily handling boards up to 6 or 7 feet long. The click mounting system is where this table really shines. It attaches to the router in seconds and automatically levels the router, which saved me significant setup time compared to other models. I was pleased to discover the table's compatibility with most major tool brands, including Craftsman, Dewalt, Hitachi, Ryobi, Milwaukee, Makita, and of course, Bosch. Storage is thoughtfully integrated into this model, with bins built into the legs for storing extra bits and base plates. This kept my workspace organized and my accessories within easy reach. The T-slot running the length of the table works seamlessly with the included miter gauge, allowing for precise angle cuts that I found essential for several of my test projects. The tall fence with 2 adjustable featherboards provided secure guidance when running material through the router. I particularly appreciated this feature when working with longer pieces that tend to wander on lesser tables. The split fence design allowed me to make precise adjustments for jointing operations, adding versatility to this portable unit. At just 33 pounds, the RA1141 strikes an excellent balance between portability and functionality. While it must be clamped or screwed down to prevent movement during operation, once secured, it performed admirably across a wide range of routing tasks. Number 4. Bosch RA1171 Cabinet-Style Router Table. Taking the 4th spot is the Bosch RA1171 Cabinet-Style Router Table. This model immediately impressed me with its cabinet-style construction that provides exceptional stability and convenient dust collection. During my extensive testing, the sturdy MDF table with laminated top proved to be a reliable work surface that remained flat and true. The dust collection system on this model is truly outstanding, with 2 dust collection ports that kept my workshop remarkably clean. One port is located at the fence, while the second is in the cabinet, providing maximum dust management that I found superior to most competitors. This feature alone made the RA1171 stand out during extended use sessions. Assembly was somewhat more involved than with other models I tested, taking me about 90 minutes to complete. Some of the connection points were a bit odd, particularly the tool track on the fence, which requires spacers for attached tools to align with the fence faces below. However, once assembled, this was one of the sturdiest benchtop models I worked with, providing a rock-solid platform for precision routing. The tall aluminum fence with adjustable MDF faceplates handled a variety of stock sizes with ease. I found the included jointing shims particularly useful for edge jointing operations, effectively turning this router table into a small jointer for perfecting board edges. The rigid cast aluminum mounting plate is pre-drilled for compatibility with many popular routers and allows for above-table height adjustments with common routers. Additional features that enhanced my experience included the dual-outlet power switch, which allowed me to connect both my router and shop vac for synchronized operation. 3. Bosch RA1181 Benchtop Router Table. Moving into our top 3, the Bosch RA1181 Benchtop Router Table earns its place with an excellent combination of durability, adjustability, precision, and value. The aluminum tabletop, baseplate, and fence provide a perfectly flat surface with zero movement caused by temperature and humidity fluctuations, which I found crucial for maintaining precision across multiple projects. During my testing, I was impressed by the comprehensive kit that includes MDF faceplates for the fence, an assortment of throat plates, 2 featherboards, a bit guard, and a vacuum port. The power switch with 2 outlets accommodates both a router and vacuum, streamlining the operation and dust collection process. I found the 2.5-inch dust collection port effectively kept my work area clean during extended routing sessions. Setting up the RA1181 took me about an hour to assemble and mount the table, plus another 30 minutes to install the router and level the base plate. Despite some online reviews suggesting complicated assembly and leveling issues, my experience was straightforward, simply a matter of following the instructions and getting to work. The table was completely stable during operation once securely mounted on my bench. The large aluminum top makes this table both durable and reasonably portable at around 30 pounds. I found the rigid aluminum router mounting plate to be compatible with a wide variety of routers, making it a versatile addition to my workshop. The The tall aluminum fence with adjustable MDF faceplates provided excellent support for workpieces of various sizes, while the included starter pin and guard made routing curved workpieces a breeze. 2. Kreg Precision Router Table System. The runner-up on our list is the impressive Kreg Precision Router Table System. This all-in-one solution combines unmatched versatility with incredible adjustability and ease of setup. During my extensive testing, the large 24-inch by 32-inch table with its 1-inch thick MDF core effectively absorbed vibration and provided a stable platform for even the most demanding routing operations. At the heart of this system is Kreg's innovative Precision Router Table Fence. This anodized aluminum fence features a table saw-style T-square adjustment system that ensures the fence always stays parallel to the miter gauge slot. I found it adjusted easily with just one hand and locked firmly in place with dual locks, a large paddle lock on the in-feed end and a quarter-turn lock on the out-feed end that prevented fence deflection even under pressure. The measuring scale on the fence allowed me to position it precisely and make adjustments based on the specific bit I was using. The included micro-adjust wheel made fine-tuning setup simple and ensured precision that exceeded my expectations. Independent sliding fence faces can be positioned exactly where needed to provide workpiece support close to the bit and to maximize chip collection into the fence's built-in dust port. One feature that particularly impressed me was the jointing capability. 2 included jointing rods slide into position behind the outfeed fence face, effectively doubling the fence as a jointer for putting perfect edges on boards. The tough, high-pressure laminate surface helped workpieces glide easily across the table, while steel-reinforcing struts underneath ensured the table remained perfectly flat throughout my testing period. Number 1. Jet Router Table System with Cast Iron Table, JRL 912. Taking the crown as the best router table of 2025 is the Jet JRL 912 Router Table System with Cast Iron Table. This professional-grade system immediately distinguishes itself with its massive cast iron top that provides unmatched stability and vibration dampening. Throughout my testing, the rock-solid platform eliminated virtually all vibration, resulting in glass, smooth cuts and unparalleled precision. The Precision Router Lift is truly a game-changer, enabling easy above-table bit height adjustments and fast router bit changes. The rigid 4-post design keeps tolerances incredibly tight, while the chain drive lifting system provides smooth, precise adjustments down to 1/64 of an inch. This level of precision allowed me to make micro adjustments that simply aren't possible on lesser tables. Dust collection on the Jet system is exceptional, with a dust box featuring an integral 4-inch dust port that surrounds the router motor, while a second 2.5-inch dust port in the fence collects dust near the router bit. During my testing, this dual collection system captured nearly all dust and debris, keeping my workspace cleaner than any other table I've used. The heavy-duty stand includes router bit storage, accessory storage, and an integrated mobile base that made moving this 229-pound powerhouse surprisingly manageable. The versatile fence system includes featherboards and a flip stop that enhanced both safety and repeatability. I found the micro-adjustable fence to provide maximum routing accuracy, with fine fence adjusters that allowed for precise positioning. The 32-inch by 24-inch cast iron top provided ample workspace for even my largest projects, while the included miter gauge with 30 degrees left and right adjustment expanded the table's capabilities for angled routing operations. Final thought. And there you have it, my comprehensive breakdown of the 7 best router tables available in 2025. Whether you're just starting out or looking to upgrade your current setup, there's an option on this list to match your needs and budget. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy woodworking.